guys, it's Monika. So today I am going to be doing a quick tutorial on a cheap, easy, quick, simple unicorn Halloween costume. So I am doing something really cool this year for October. I actually planned to do this last October after I did my makeup tutorial with Logan, voila, with the same background, voila. Yeah, so I've been planning to do this since last year. Last year I just did not have the time or the energy to get everything all planned. So this year I sat down a couple weeks ago and I literally planned out everything. So I am very excited to get things started. So I'm going to be doing 31 days of Halloween costumes on my blog, on my Instagram, and I'm going to be showing some cool tutorials here on my YouTube channel. So let's get this first one started. I'm so excited. If you aren't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button now. Also hit that bell button to be sure that you get notified every time I post a new video. And if you are really pressed and have no idea what you're going to be for Halloween, be sure to follow me on Instagram or subscribe to my blog. I am going to be posting, like I said, 31 Halloween costumes by Halloween, so you can get some inspiration there. So let's get started on this first one. Okay. Step one is just to get your face all primed up. I have primer on already. I'm just going to do my foundation and a little bit of contour like I normally would. So let's get started on that right now. I have this problem where my camera is never in focus, so I have been making videos. They have just been turning out so out of focus that I'm like, wow, this is pointless because you can't even see what I'm doing here. But I have all my stuff ready for this tutorial. So I got my unicorn horn. I got this actually at Party City. I think it was expensive too. I think this was $10. I honestly don't know why I bought it at Party City, because then I went to the dollar store and they had them at the dollar store. And then I was shopping online and I saw that they have them literally everywhere. You can buy a unicorn horn, and this one is on a string. But you can literally buy them on headbands and stuff. There's literally a million unicorn horns. And then I saw a tutorial. You can make it by yourself by putting a seashell on a headband and adding glitter. So I was kind of disappointed that I spent $10 on this. So yeah, but this one's cute, I guess. I'm gonna be a silver unicorn. And then y'all, I have always wanted to buy one, and I finally bought myself a wig. I mean, I don't think this is my color. It definitely makes me more self-conscious about my eyebrows and my acne, but hello, here we are, we're here, we're doing it anyways. Yeah, red is just not my color. I don't know why I picked it. I should have picked rainbow, but whatever, we're princess unicorn here anyway. So, okay, let's get back to my first step. Obviously, the only one thing that you really need to become a unicorn princess is the unicorn horn. And obviously, you're also going to need something pretty. I'm going to use this palette. These highlight colors, Aurora Glow by Beverly Hills. It has some fun colors in there. So I'm going to be using that one. And let's just get started. Enough talking. Let's do the first step. So like I said, I already primed my face. Now I'm just going to do a little bit of concealer on my face. I have been eating way too much sugar, and I know that's why my face is totally breaking out. But there's nothing I can do, you know? I mean, there is something I can do, but I'm going to choose not to do it. Because there's nothing better than being stressed and then adding to that stress because your face is breaking out and you feel self-conscious. There's nothing better than that. Okay, I'm not done blending, but I feel like I need to take this out and I feel like I need to wear it for this whole video. Otherwise, what was the point of spending $10 on this? yeah, if you're definitely going to be doing this costume and wearing it for more than 5 minutes like I will be, you should 100% opt in for the headband because this feels like it's gonna fall off. I mean, I didn't put it on that great, but still, like, the string is barely holding this horn on my head. So Logan is taking a nap right now, and I'm like, should I leave this on until he wakes up, or will he be frightened and scarred for the rest of his life? I got these new neighbors the other day, and they are so damn loud. Like, what are you doing up there? They're freaking like throwing the boxes across the room or something, I swear. Okay, so here is just like my basic everyday makeup look. Just like really plain, and now I am so excited to get started. I'm going to do some fun color eyeshadow, and I wanted to do like a rainbow across my face, so we're going to do it. I just gotta go get my other palette. 1 minute. I'm in Logan's room. Okay. Focus, 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 focus on my face. This better be focused or I'm gonna lose my mind. Okay, so I'm going to start with my eyeshadow. If I could find somewhere my eyeshadow brush, that would be super cool. So I'm just starting with like a light cream on my eyelids because I don't want to do too much because this is supposed to be quick. Damn, I forgot this was supposed to be quick. Okay, I gotta like speed this up a little bit. So we're just doing quick on our eyelids. I'm gonna start with this one, which has literally the entire rainbow. And I need a brush, guys. Why doesn't I have one? I can't use this. Can I use this? Okay, let's try. I feel like this is like mega and way too big. I wanted to do like a rainbow. Ooh, okay. Oh, okay, this is working good. Wow, I feel so special right now. Like, this is just like a shimmery line across my face, but I'm feeling it. Like, the sun is reflecting off this glitter and I'm feeling it. So I just did pink. I'm gonna follow the actual rainbow. So I'm gonna do orange next. Or I don't have orange, so I'm gonna do this like tan kind of color. And this is fast. Like, this is gonna be fast. Woo! I mean, I feel like this one above my eyebrow is kind of pointless, but I've already started it, so I gotta keep going. Ooh, yes! You know, I kind of used to like hate on people that did like unicorn stuff, and now I get it. I get it now. I get the whole wanting to be a unicorn, like, I get it. If you are hating on like unicorn people right now and are like, wow, you are so weird, you look so stupid, get yourself a unicorn horn, put some glitter on your face, and you will get it. Like, you'll just get it. Next, I'm gonna do the green. I'm gonna mix both because, I mean, I've never I use this highlight palette like every day. You can tell I use this one the most, and like these two I mix them together. I've literally never tried like the purple, the blue, or the green, just because I'm like, why would I put green or purple or blue on my face when I'm just like going to the office? Like I don't want to be that much of a dramatic, but should I mix both blues together? Yeah. I mean, we only tried blue once, right? Let's mix that. Blue is gonna be really good. Oh yeah, blue is really good. Blue, okay, blue is actually blue. It feels so cute. Now I feel like I need to do like, should I do the rainbow lips? I feel like this looks really pretty and I feel like the wig is gonna ruin it. Like I need some sort of lip now. I'm gonna put this back on. Oh guys, how cute am I? Is this cute? I feel like this is the first step to becoming like a furry or whatever. Wow, I love it. This was like a minute, like literally rub the different colors across your face and put the unicorn horn on it and you're a unicorn. And I feel cute. Okay, now should we do each color of the rainbow on my lips? I guess we can see how it looks. This is literally like, this costume was so fast. It's literally like, Mom, we're on our way to school and I forgot my costume. Oh my god, you know, throw your palette across my face. Okay, now let's put some colors on my lips. I think it looks good without any. Maybe I'll put a little bit of like the pink one. Ooh. Okay, maybe like a little bit of the purple too. I didn't use this color yet, so why don't we just throw that one in there too. And like, I'm just gonna like put this all over my face. Oh, okay, that was a bit much. Wow, I feel like the unicorn. I have eyelash extensions on, so I can't even put on mascara or more eyelashes because I don't want to ruin them. But guys, I feel like this looks pretty good. And then I'm gonna go get changed really quick right now. All I'm changing into is a white top and a white skirt, and I'm gonna be the unicorn princess. So let's be right back in 1 minute. So I changed into my white top, and I'm just wearing like this white skirt. It's really cute, just because this is like whatever. This is supposed to be the easy tutorial. So I'm gonna try on the wig. You know, I kind of hate how I look in it, so we will see if we even like it. Probably should have tied my hair back. Oh, this hair feels so gross. And like, I have a couple other costumes that I needed to wear a wig, and like, damn, I don't know how much I'm going for because I hate wearing this wig already. Okay, this does not look cute. This just like took me down 100 pegs. I went from like cute unicorn to like ugly fart on a stick. Yeah, I'm not loving this. Okay, let's take this red turd off of my head. Ew! Ew! I can't even... I hate hair. Oh my god, it is all over my face. I'm gonna throw up. Why is there so much of it? Okay, should I curl it? Do unicorns have curly hair? Let's look it up. What should I Google? Unicorn? Unicorn? I mean, do I look like this? Is that me right now? Do I look like that? Wow! Please. I literally feel like a unicorn. I am one. I am literally a princess unicorn. Is this supposed to be on my part or in the middle? I guess that looks good. Wow, guys. I'm a unicorn. I need to show you the full look. Logo check. What's mommy doing? Did you just wake up? Oh, okay, you draw. Okay, does mommy look like a unicorn? Oh, no thanks. Okay.
Table.
Mommy looks like a funny princess on the table. Thanks, buddy.